Okay, I got 34.5. Now I gotta carefully measure this and see if 34.5 is gonna work. Yep, looks like it will. And it's amazing if it popped out of there and it didn't fall all the way down, it didn't break or anything. I'm gonna just get the other piece of glass in the closet and check that out too. And see which one, you know, if that one's 34 5/8, I might use that one. Don't make the assumption that all your glass that's in here is measured the same, because if this glass window opening is not perfectly plumb, or somebody went and replaced pieces later on, you might have a short piece of glass as opposed to a longer piece of glass. So make sure you check that out, because you don't want to get 3 or 4 of them replaced and then find out the next one is too long or the next one's too short, and you're like, okay, which one is which? Okay, so just be mindful of that. That one's 34.5. This piece of glass, see, is almost 3/4, 34 3/4. And I looked at this piece and I see it's got a crack right there, and I'm gonna bet that was for this piece right there that broke out of there. And I'm gonna end up using this piece right here for the top, because I don't want this imperfection in there. And then we'll have to figure out what to do with that middle one. And I think they're gonna have to order another little aluminum goodie or do something. At least I don't have to be the one messing with trying to order that. You know, you could take a picture of this. You could go to a glass company and you could take some measurements of that, and they might have something like that that they can take off an old one or something, and then you could fix it that way. Okay, see, there's enough slop on here to put a little hacksaw blade in there or something and hacksaw that off of there, pre-drill those holes out, pop it in a new one, and you'll be set. But hey, I'm not doing it on this particular video though. Sorry. Okay, I'm gonna try this out. I'm gonna have to improvise. There's my stool, and I've got some gloves on. I don't like working with glass with just my hands. I'm gonna pull this. I'm not gonna pull this blind down. I'm gonna try to just lower it a little bit and see if I can reach up this way and kind of mess with it. I think I can. Just looking at these brackets, that just needed to be bent up a little bit. That other one looks fine. I don't know, it's gonna be kind of tough. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it that way, like that. See what I can do. We'll see. I think I don't know how well you're gonna see this, but if I can't do it, I will show you how to take the mini blind out. Okay. I'm hoping with this that I can see through the slats. Okay, there. Okay. That. Okay. Okay. I think I've done it. I think I've done it, VideoJoe. VideoJoe, I think I've done it. Yeah. Yes, indeedy. Okay. Now, let's get this down a little bit, and then I can open and close this. I can look, and it's in where it's supposed to be. All right. Close this. Got that one by Joe. All right. Now what else can I find in this condo that needs to be fixed? That's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.